Hey everyone, so today I am going to make a slow cooker honey brown sugar garlic chicken. And right now I have my chicken defrosting in the microwave. And right here I just made a concoction of a quarter cup, a little over, like a heaping quarter cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a tablespoon of minced garlic. I just threw in like a tablespoon of minced onion, dried minced onion, and then just a dash of pepper, dash of salt, and then I mixed it with a cup of chicken broth. And I tasted it, it tastes just fine. So this is what I'm going to be pouring over my chicken and potatoes. I have a large sweet potato right here, and I have a medium-sized just brown baking potato right here. I only have 4 chicken breasts, hence why I'm only using 2, and I'm going to skin these and then dice them up. I'm going to season my chicken with this Sazón seasoning packet. It's a really good seasoning packet. If you haven't used it, you should. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you what I do next after this chicken is done defrosting. I got my Sazón. I'm just gonna sprinkle this over the chicken pretty evenly. I didn't want to waste a dish and season them in a separate bowl. So I'm gonna flip them. You can definitely smell the cumin. There's cumin in that seasoning packet. You can definitely smell that. This is gonna give the chicken a good color too. If you get this on your fingers, it like dyes your fingers like orange yellow. Make sure you get the bottom. Yeah, this is a really good seasoning salt. I recommend it highly. And then the bottom's done. Put these back over. This dish is going to be very yummy. At the end, I'm probably going to broil these. I'm not gonna have soggy skin. I'm gonna have crispy skin. Okay, see, it's already starting to turn a little yellow. And now I have my brown sugar honey garlic mixture. Just gonna pour that right over. I'm gonna set this to low. I always set it to low, even though it's 2 in the afternoon, but my husband doesn't get home until 9 from work, so it doesn't really matter. And since these are bone in, this will probably take about 5 or 6 hours to cook thoroughly. I'm gonna let them go probably 6 hours so the potatoes are thoroughly cooked. Make sure all the potatoes are down in those juices, and then the chicken is gonna produce more juice for the potatoes. So they'll definitely be submerged. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna let this go for probably about 6 hours on low. It smells delicious already and it hasn't even begun to start cooking. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. Update, so I just added 3 tablespoons of butter. I know it looks like, no wait, did I do? Yeah, 3 tablespoons. I know it looks like 5, but I just cut them into thin little tabs. So I did that, and then I just sprinkled a little bit more pepper on top and some dried parsley because I just love putting parsley on everything. It gives it some color and it's pretty. So that is what I did extra. There's the chicken. It was cooking for 5 hours since 2 o'clock, since 7 now. And And I pulled the potatoes out. This is the juices that I have. It's probably about like 2 cups or so. I didn't add anything to it. I didn't add a slurry or anything to it. I'm going to right now. This is 2 tablespoons of flour with just a little bit of water. Works every time. So just give this a good stir, and then it should just start to thicken. I don't even turn it the crock pot back on. I just let the residual heat do all the work. My son is just talking away in the background. So I'm going to let that sit. What is that? Oh no! I don't know what that is, but I'm taking it out. That's gonna sit and thicken, and I have my oven on broil right now. I'm gonna throw these in real quick soon here and broil them up so the skins get nice and crispy. They have some good color already. I just want a crispy skin. So this was taking forever to thicken in the slow cooker, and I don't got time. I have to give my son a bath real soon here. Time for bed soon, and I want to eat. So I just put it in a pan, and I also added another tablespoon of flour with a little water, a slurry. So I'm gonna bring this to a boil, see how thick it gets, and then I'm finally gonna serve myself up. Here's everything all plated up. I finally got the gravy to thicken. So I just set it to a boil, let it boil for a few minutes, and then took it off the heat. And I just made some broccoli with everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, please give me a like, subscribe if you haven't, and check out my other videos. I have a ton of other cooking videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!